In the last few videos, we've looked at the mechanics of posting to your blog and adding pictures, etc. Now we want to think about the public view of your blog and whether or not you want people to be able to comment. So from your blog homepage, I want you to click on the design button. And then along this menu on the left side, we're going to go down to the settings. And so the settings gives you access to a lot of different things in here. If you ever want to change the title of your blog, say this year you're teaching grade 6 and next year you were teaching grade 5, you could go ahead and do that. The privacy on your blog, you can decide whether you want it visible to search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. I actually recommend making sure that it is visible because your blog is a place where you want parents and students to be able to find you easily. So even if they can't remember the URL for your blog, they should be able to type in perhaps your name, your grade, maybe your school, and your blog should come up in those search results. In terms of the authors of your blog, if you are co-teaching or if your students are on Rotary, you may want to add their Rotary teachers to the blog. So you can just simply click on Add Authors and send off an email invite. And invite those authors. They'll get an email message that will share the invitation with them and they can follow the links and join your blog. If you do want your blog to be private, you've got to use this blog reader section here. And I actually really recommend not making it private. What I've found is that when parents need to put in a password and username, they're less likely to visit your blog. It also means that other features like subscribing by email or subscribing to your blog in an RSS reader won't work. So my best recommendation is to leave your blog public. So that's the first thing here. The second thing we want to look at is the ability to post and comment. So only authors are able to post to your blog. This is just showing you how many posts will appear on the main page. Of course, if you want to move back in time, you can scroll through previous pages of your blog. And then we get to the comments section. Now, on your blog, the default settings do allow comments so that if I was a parent or a student and I read your blog, I could simply click on the comments link here and go ahead and comment about your blog. And I can click publish and then that will appear. Now a lot of teachers are uncomfortable with that, so what I'm going to show you is how you can change those settings. So what we'll do to begin with, and I'm going to take the default position that most teachers don't want anyone to have the ability to comment on their blog. If you're interested in having students, parents comment, you're probably going to have enough confidence to go in and play around with these settings and set them up the way you'd like. But for now, we're going to prevent anyone from commenting on your blog. So the first thing we'll do is change your comment location from embedded to hide. That means it won't be visible. Who can comment? We'll say only members of this blog. So right now, as the author of your blog, you're the only member of your blog. And comment moderation, we'll turn that to always. And we will say if by chance you change one of these other settings at some point and you want to get a notification, you can put in your email address here. And just leave the rest of the settings the way they are. When you finish making those changes, click on Save Settings. And now, when I look back at my blog and I refresh it, I no longer have the options to add comments to any of my blog posts. Okay. The pencil you see here is because I'm the author of the blog. I can go ahead and edit the post this way if I would like. So that totally got rid of the ability to add comments. If I want to change those, I may go to members of the blog, and then I could add students as authors on the blog, or users with Google accounts, so that they would have to be signed into a Google account, and I would still leave the comment moderation on so that I had the chance to preview those comments before they appeared on my blog. So that's the privacy settings for your blog, and I think at this point I'm going to stop this video